Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up an iron condor on Thinkorswim. An iron condor is a neutral range-bound option strategy that combines a short call spread and a short put spread, creating defined risk and defined potential profit. It's often used when you expect the underlying price to stay within a range through expiration. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on where to click and what to look for while offering helpful context so you can make informed choices as you go. Start by opening the Thinkorswim app. Once you're in, head to the trade area. This is your central hub for finding symbols, viewing options, quotes, and building multi-leg strategies. Inside trade, select the All Products view. This layout shows the option chain for the symbol you choose, along with key details like expirations, strikes, and the current market for each option. Next, enter a symbol you want to trade. For smoother execution, consider a liquid stock or ETF with tight bid-ask spreads and good daily volume. After you load the symbol, locate the option chain section. Here, find the spread dropdown. It's typically set to single by default, which displays individual option contracts. Click the dropdown and choose Iron Condor. This tells the platform to group strikes as a four-leg, defined risk strategy, pairing a short call with a long call above the market and a short put with a long put below the market. With Iron Condor selected, choose an expiration that fits your outlook and risk tolerance. Many traders look for expirations with healthy open interest and manageable time decay. Then, select your strikes. A common approach is to position the short call and short put out of the money, roughly bracketing the range you expect the stock to stay within, and to set the long options at strikes that define the width of each spread. Wider wings increase potential loss, but also may allow for a higher credit. Narrower wings limit risk and credit. Aim for a balance between credit received, probability of profit, and your comfort with buying power impact. Follow the on-screen procedure to populate the trade ticket. Review the net credit, max profit, max loss, and estimated buying power effect. If available, use a mid-price to improve potential fills and confirm the quantity matches your plan. Before you transmit, double-check earnings dates and major news that could increase volatility. And remember that commissions and assignment risk can affect outcomes. If you're new, consider practicing in a simulated account first. When everything looks right, proceed as directed on screen to send the order and monitor the position.